Craggy Island. The national park. There's very little in the way of a map. Looking for somewhere to put a tent up, hopefully, but it's not like the national parks I'm used to. This has got fences everywhere, and clearly some places I'm not sure you're supposed to go. But this road is on Google Maps, and I'm going to try and find somewhere that's tucked out of the way. I won't do any harm. Yeah, I've been looking for somewhere to put a tent up. It looks really easy. It's supposed to be a national park and there's loads of areas, but I've ended up back not far off the road, and the road's just over there. That's the main road, and here you can actually just see here there's a dry stone wall, and when people cycle or walk past, their heads are above that, but I'm down here and I am suffering from midges at the moment, so I've had a net on my head, but this is where hopefully I'll feed tonight undisturbed. I'm covered in midge stuff. I've thrown all my gear in, and the bike hopefully will sit under there. And I am now going to go in there because it's better in there without the midges than it is out here. Midges, they're horrible. Just gone 7 in the morning. I'm at Torwick Waterfall, which is actually very impressive. It's better than I thought it was going to be, and there are still midges about, as you may see by the net, and yeah, they're getting me. Get a view of the mountains, really. Rain, but it's gonna be brilliant. It's not that much rain. I've made it up the hill to Lady's View, and it is a very impressive view. And Queen Elizabeth's ladies in waiting is all it was at the time. Look at that. Anyway, that's the good news. The bad news is I was kind of hoping for a cup of coffee, and everything's locked. It's uphill to Mole's Gap. Apparently there's a cafe just about there and a viewpoint. I don't think we're going to get to see much, but a cafe would be nice, wouldn't it? Yeah. I'm in Sneem. Wild Atlantic Highway. That is the Atlantic. The sat-nav says it's 750 metres to where I'm staying, and it looks like it's downhill. That must be all the way, and that's very nice. off I go again. All packed up. No rain at the moment. Rain due later. See how it goes. But it's fun. Climbing up the hills. Heading towards Waterville, but I've got to go over the bloody mountain first. And I checked, it is a mountain on the map. People call it a mountain. And I'm now just getting into the cloud, which appears to be called low fog around here, but it's a cloud. So, still, I had a day's rest, so I should be absolutely fine tonight. Waterville. I know it's a long ride down a long hill with one little bit at the end, but there's a thing there that says coffee. I think that might be an order. What a lovely little town.
In Waterville, I'm just doing some cleaning, so caution. Please stand clear. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Fogarty's Centra in Waterville.